Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. We appreciate you all tuning in to the live stream. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all got to do your own research before doing anything. So yes, 1 second here. I'm going to pretty much pull up all these chats. We're going to go over. Sorry, it's a lot of noise. I understand. All right. Hold on. I'm not quite ready. I'm still trying to see if we can hit this little target here. This 478. I already ended up trimming up, but I just want to see if we can hit it. Yo, Milo, thanks for sharing the live stream. Appreciate it. Obviously, if I have to stop out the rest, that's fine. Hold on, let's see. TikTok live now. All right, cool. So yeah, this was pretty much just play. Got in a little bit earlier, then went for a nice little scalp here. So yeah, we ended up breaking at this candle here, and then I needed a retest. Seeing that we had a beautiful red candle, so I kind of just got in on that. And then we ended up pressing down. But so yeah, everything else is free. I could care less. I mean, could we still possibly do it? Yeah, we can. But I will say, if it doesn't, that's perfectly fine. What's up, Ford guy? Good to see you, bro. So yeah, we originally tried this on 1 hour, and then saw this little move to this downside. So if it ended up happening, the little play here looks good. But yeah, if we end up retesting, I'll be out way before then. Even if we do finish the move. Since we did well, and we'll go over the other ones that did amazing. So I'm still just waiting because Tesla's been chopping out a bit this morning. So we almost had it a little bit earlier, but we couldn't get an entry, and then we ended up finally dropping. It still looks like it wants to do it. So if we can, 478.99. It's just stalling right here. Is there? Looks like there's a little bit more resistance though. I still really like it to this downside. That's if we touch it, 478.99. And then I'll leave it alone for sure. All right, so it looks like we're getting close. Hold on, I gotta tell the team to be careful on this one. All right, I just pretty much told them to try to trim up. It's just pretty. It's obviously yes. I still think we can hit it, that 478.99, but we just been stalling a bit. Beautiful move though. Beautiful. 30 seconds left. Kind of want to see if we can close like this. If we can't reach this candle here, there we go. Come on. We're right there. All right. I already told them so. And then yes, that little leg. There's a little leg down after that target, I would say, if it ends up happening. So yeah, we already trimmed up on this. Beautiful. Let's see. All right, so we're still struggling here. So this was actually a higher time frame move. So for those of you entering in this was this move here under that 482 empty space, which was there. So we were very close. We were very close. I think we'll still get it, but we'll see. Check out ALAB. Yo, comrade. Yeah, I got you. Hopefully you're in the live stream. I still favor the downside though, if you ask me. But no, I'm not telling anyone to get in or out of trade. So yes, please do your research. I would not chase it to a play that pretty much at my target. But yeah, Bashal, thanks for the follow. Thanks for sharing the live stream. Sorry, I can't read. It's just pretty much stalling here. But once my first target does like to reach, I do like to end up trimming up. If you know, you know. So yeah, if the full move happens, cool, great. If it doesn't, cool, great. You know, it's just having some trouble. Will we get this push now? We got to do it like right now. It got to happen right now. 478, 99. Just go ahead and tap it. Hold on. See, we're very close. It's just trying to tease, and then yeah, if we end up continuing, I do want to see that 474, but we'll see. I think we'll do it right now. It's just stalling. Another rejection. All right. Yeah, still looks good. I mean, we're right there, so obviously this could have been the imbalance there. Just going to 460, dude. If it does, I feel like it's going to be like a slow chop if it happens. I'm only in runner, so I don't give a, you know, I don't care. So we did get, and we didn't even get to cover the Qs or RIVN either. So I apologize, everyone. We'll go over these other stocks and other trades too as well. All right, stop teasing me, brother. Just. See, this is like a rejection spot, but yeah. Okay, finally, we did it. All right, hold on. I gotta make sure. Hold on, let's see. There we go. All right. Hold on, let's see here. Hold on, I gotta send this. I'm gonna send this in the chat really quickly. Give me 1 second. All right, All right, so yeah, we ended up touching that finally. After 3 years, great little play on that. Hold on, let's see here. Cool. So yeah, this was a trade call out before we hopped on this live stream. So yeah, pretty much seen this on a lower time frame, and then that was that. So yeah, I could care less if it goes. If it, you know, reverses, that's fine. The final there will be that 474. So beautiful move. Let's get it. So yeah, I guess today is Tesla Friday. Yo, Dallas, what's up, bro? Honestly, 460 is yeah, that's a ways away. I could care less if it, you know, ends up going. We already smacked it. It's cool. If it does end up happening, yeah, that, you know, that would be great too. But yeah, you see, it was pretty much teasing us. So I went to a lower time frame. I seen that we broke and closed under, and then waited for that next candle there. So pretty much see what happened here. So this is on that Tesla play there, and then yeah, that was that. So beautiful move. This sold him right to entry. If we close, retest, and then only have some smalls since it's moving a little bit slow. 474 is that final though. All right, so yeah, we got our alerts pretty much set. Care less about it. Let's go. And yeah, you can already see what we did today on a couple of these trades. So see what happened on RIVN. We'll go over that. See what happened on the Qs. Qs was great too as well. So yo, let's go. It was like, this is in the VIP chat. PutBrothers, thanks for the call out, my brother. I had to step away. So yeah, hold on. Gonna give some likes. So this is literally just right now. Thanks for the call out. So yeah, beautiful move, man. Honestly, great day. See what happened on Hughes, a couple other members there. Shout out Jay. I think this was a play from Glock. So yeah, it was nice little day here. my bad. All right, yeah, it was nice. Nice little day. All right, so looks like Tesla's trying to drop even more. If we do 474, that's my next move there. All right, we got our alert set. I don't care. Let's see. Okay, we're getting a little bit of movement. Pretty nice. All right, alert set. I could care less. We'll come back to it. Pretty nice. Okay, let's see. Did someone ask about Q's and then Uber? All right. Yo, what is that? All right, hold on. AMD, oh yeah, I got you, Vincent, too, as well. All right, we're bouncing. If the runners don't go, that's fine. All right, so the Q's was a beautiful move for today. So it gave 2 legs up, so 2 possible entries on this. So this was a play from this morning here. You can see when we posted it, my first one I posted, told them about these starters that I was looking for. If we hold above, and you see what happened there, and pretty much the aftermath on that. So yeah, it was a great day. You can see, shout out Lawnmower hitting that with me too. See what he did there. So we hit both targets. Now the third leg up. So this is the next leg up that I'm seeing, if it happens. So yeah, above that 617. Hold on, I'm just watching this. I'm looking at contracts too, so they're doing decent. Yeah, they're going pretty good. All right, so yeah, above that 617 area. If we end up getting that continuation, do want to see up to that 622. Looks good. We couldn't get that next leg up, but that first leg, don't want to move anything, but first leg ended up hitting, and then we saw this on a lower time frame, so 30-minute chart, empty space, more there, and then yeah, we ended up tapping that final. As for something new, I personally won't touch it unless we build a box and empty space there, or under that 608. So yeah, under that 608 looks good. Empty space to that 605. Yo, Jay, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. All right, hold on. I gotta send another chat. I know everyone knows about Tesla right now, but it's doing pretty nice. So let's see here. All right, cool. Let's go. Let's go. All right, let's see here. I still like it. I still like the downside. My first target already hit, but man, that lower time frame is just lethal. That's crazy. We'll just leave those up. All right, so Uber, let's take a look here. Let's get rid of all this and let's start on this. Yo, Jay, what's up, bro? Yes, sir. I got you on SPY, man. No worries, no worries. All right, cool. So Uber, let me take a look here. We're going to keep an eye on SPY, or not SPY, but Tesla, see if that can end up going. All right, so it looks like we are into some sort of empty space here. Kind of want to break this down and see if there's anything. Okay, there is something. Okay, actually, yeah, that looks good. Actually, I'll write this down on my list. So same thing here. We got a nice Potter box, empty space down to this downside, down to that 73.80, which looks really good. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we're not there yet, but it's looking good. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I kind of want to see on that 77.53 area. Looks really good. So yeah, I hope everyone in the chat trimmed on Tesla. All right, so yeah, let's keep going here. So Uber, we already did the Qs, so we smacked the Qs. AMD, yo, Vincent, what's up, bro? So for this, yeah, I'll be honest, we charted this up today, and there was this empty space here. I could have entered into this, but I missed this one. I was in a few other ones. As you can see, yeah, man, yeah, had a beautiful lower time frame close, and then we just kept on going, bro. For something new, okay, I see something new. Let me not lie. All right, let's see. Okay, actually looks good. So pretty much the same move that just happened, just different price targets, I guess you could say. Top, bottom, all there, empty space up to that 218. Oops, hold on. Yeah, it looks good. So yeah, clear gap down, no consolidation. Want to see if we can break outside of that 213. So kind of like all these trades that we had today. Didn't get to post what we did. But yeah, you can see pretty much all these setups here. QQ calls, clear gap down. You can see the trades we end up calling out. This was before market opened. I like QQ and Tesla for day trades. We ended up posting them. And yeah, we end up getting in, and you can see those plays end up smacking. You can see these Tesla puts, what ended up happening, and then boom, just told them need a little retest and just trim up if we can get it. So that's that. So yeah, all these trades are going to be, you know, same moves. So yeah, I will post what we did today. Obviously, like same thing as yesterday. So I get it. It's the same moves. It's the same, pretty much everything. Obviously, I'm not going to say I hit every trade, which I don't. But yeah, you can see when we do hit what happens. Obviously, you can see what happened on RIVN. So still holding some runners. Want to see if we can hit that 23.34. So this was a swing from yesterday too. Keeping an eye on Tesla though. So yeah, clear gap down. We ended up on this 24-hour chart, breaking and closing above that wall. So yeah, I just shot my shot, and then boom, yeah, empty space. We touched it, we tapped it. So yeah, that was a swing from yesterday. So you can see this was that play. So yeah, beautiful play though. I'm still gonna hold them out. So yeah, you can see yesterday, end of day. I know it sounded crazy, but yeah. We finally went up and we tapped it perfectly. All right, cool. So Tesla, we might end up struggling here. So those runners might be done. But we will see. All right, cool. Let's see here. So AMD. Yeah, above that 213 actually looks really good. We'll just keep an eye on that. RVN, obviously, yes, we know that I'm still holding that, but we'll see if we can get that continuation. But yes, guys, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Gonna actually grab me some fruit, maybe some oranges this time. So yes, just give me 1 second. Obviously, yes, if you do want to join the Discord, you can see what we did here. You can see what we do here. Link is at the bottom for the Discord. And yes, we do have those codes that will be ending soon too as well. So pretty much the biggest sale of all year, I would say. But yeah, nice moves today. You can see what happened on RIVN, QQQ. See those entries that we end up giving. But yes, 1 second, I'll be right back. Hopefully Tesla can hit by the time I get back. So we'll see. Just make sure to do your own research before joining in. Yo, sorry to leave you guys on with some bad music. All right, so hold on 1 second here, 1 second. Yo, AFK, thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate it. All right, yeah, we'll keep on going. So yeah, we'll just leave these up. Do want to see if we can find a couple more swings. One more day trade doesn't sound bad, but we'll see how things play out. One second here. So APOD, let's take a look. He said miss Tesla because of work. Dude, man, no worries, bro. For me at least, if I end up missing a trade, like, dude, I missed this beautiful AMD trade. Obviously, those lottos from earlier didn't want to work. But yeah, I'll just wait for a new one, man. So I try not to beat myself up over another trade. You know, obviously, you know, next week, got a new week, man. Yo, Terminator, what's up? Yeah, I got you, no worries. APOD. All right, so like this right here. This is a perfect example. I ended up missing this one. APOD, we charted this this morning here. As you can see, we ended up breaking above, and it's going fast. Obviously, we could have used a lower time frame. Yeah, a lower time frame close would have been beautiful. And it looks like it still can get this continuation. So, yeah, if I miss a play, obviously, yeah, that would have been a nice, good one. 27.43, and then 29.98. That'll be my final there. But look how beautiful that looks. Clear gap down, empty space, punch back through this wall. We end up breaking into the empty space. So, boom. That's what I look for every day. So, obviously, I didn't post what we did today, but you can see the aftermath of what some people did on some of these plays. Empty space pretty much works both ways. You can see on the cues those gaps up. You can see those plays that we had this morning. We just had to wait for them. I was like, look, guys, I may try a little lotto if we hold above before that close. And then, yeah, that was that. Tesla gave nice little play. Looks like it's trying to get that continuation. So we'll see how things play out. Dude, RVN is going wild. Beautiful, man. Yo, man, what's up? All right, yeah, let's keep on going. SMX. We're going to pull up, let's see, Microsoft MSFT. Yeah, let's do it, bro. See, I'm still holding a couple of these plays. So, yeah, this is why I don't care about missing a play, or if I lose on one play or get stopped out, man, there I will look for that new opportunity. And we had some great ones today. All right, so SMX, let's take a look here. 24-hour. Okay, yeah, I did this chart, I think yesterday or maybe the day before. Same thing, clear gap up. Empty space is under us, so under that 120. Kind of want to see if we break under that into the empty space below us. Do we have empty space above us? Yes, we do. Let's see. So yeah, we got some crazy empty space. Obviously, you know, if this ends up happening, yes, there's pockets here, there's pockets there. On the weekly chart, at least, I get this is very, very far away, you know, but probably just try it up to there. Yeah, so I'm not saying that it will happen, but yeah, there's also empty space there. All right, so that's that. SPY. Yo, Jay, what's up, man? Microsoft. All right, so on SPY, man, I personally think, so yeah, we already hit this, pretty much this clear gap up or clear gap down. We hit this to the upside. As you can see, the next thing I can see here, which honestly I would love for next week, But yeah, clear gap down there above that 681. We got empty space, which is above us, so not too bad. So yeah, clear gap down, no consolidation. The spot would have been great. Obviously, you know, the cues were pretty much the same thing. It did the same little types of trades here. So yeah, it was a nice day. A lot of members did end up hitting this too with us. Boom, day 7th of being green. So yeah, you can see the plays that we had today. It was great. We just stayed patient. We didn't have to second guess. We just get in and get out, and shout out to all the other members. So that was on Nvidia and SPY. So she took SPY, pretty much same charts, I would say. So yeah, let's keep on going. Tesla, we're still I don't know if I want to hold all the way through if we just chop. Microsoft's. All right, let's see here. So, well, Microsoft, it looks like. So yeah, it looks like this move ended up happening here. Boom, we broke above. Let's get rid of this. Now let's go to honestly, hold on. That 4-hour looks crazy, actually. Let me look at the 24-hour really quickly. Just give me a second. One second, guys. Yo, YK, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Yo, we got some trolls in the other chat. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if I can repeat those questions, man. Yeah, if you have any questions though, like yeah, just let me know. Just drop them in the comments for sure. All right, so Microsoft, this is what I see here. This is what I like. My bad. I'm looking at the other chat. Hold on, let's see. So yeah, we pretty much got a box here, and yeah, right above us. So above that 493, I see that, yeah, empty space here. So pretty much what I will be targeting all these other days, just like today. If you're watching my live stream this morning, pretty much same thing. Looks exactly like all my other trades. Try to keep it as simple as I can. Above that 493, empty space is above us. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. All right. Cool. So yeah, it looks good. Honestly, we're just not there yet. But yeah, if we can't get that continuation, looks pretty fire. So yeah, not too bad at all. PLTR. Let me see here. So PLTR, honestly, we got another little leg up here, I would say. So let me see. So this will be my next little play here that I could possibly see. Personally, I would love for it to clear this this top here at this 194, and then yeah, we can possibly get up to this 207. Which looks good. So yeah, I can see this clear gap down of no consolidation to this upside. So not too bad though. Looks really good. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. I will be in the Discord, so gonna look for maybe 1 or 2 more as we chop, and then yeah, we're gonna go over those end of day swings. As you can see, the swing we had yesterday was beautiful, and still holding on to a couple of these. But yeah, nice, beautiful day. You can see it's consecutive day 7th of profit. Thank you, everyone. All these are green. Boom, beautiful day. See what a few other members did here on the Q's play too as well. So yeah, nice, beautiful day, guys. I will be in the chat. So yes, I'll be on last hour for these end of day lives, or end of day swings, I would say. So if you do want to join up, I'll be here last hour. If you want to join the Discord, you don't have to. Obviously, you can watch the free chats. Links in the bio. We do have these promo codes that will be ending soon as well. So we'll have to see. So yeah, no worries, man. I'll be back on. If you're in the Discord, I'll still be there. So I'll probably work on 1 or 2 more trades. So you guys have a blessed one, guys. I'll see you all soon. See you either in the Discord or in my next live stream. Have a blessed one, guys. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much.